Okay, y'all, so I am at the airport. I just checked my bags and I'm about to go through TSA. So I am on my way to New York City for a really fun-filled weekend to celebrate my friend's birthday. So I just decided that I wanted to take you guys along this trip with me since I've been promising it since like last year. So I will see you guys in New York. So I'm just sitting here waiting. Not too crowded. I was able to get through TSA smoothly, so that's a good thing. It didn't take all day to get my bags checked in through there. So I made it to LaGuardia. I am on my way to get my baggage. Do they really?
Women and children. Give these two people a big round of applause, folks. Yeah! You two stay over here, no matter. He's coming! Let's go, Travis! Stop the music, guys!
This company is it's not just like, you see how Columbus, I don't know if you've been downtown and all that. It's a college tour, even the short north.
Yeah, I was like,
I feel like I've been here already. Should I get a picture?
Yes, you should.
Let's go shoot it or just what?